Sparkling mansions, fancy cars, piles of cash, the picture of ultimate happiness, right? Well, surprise. For many business owners who've made it big, it's not money that makes them tick. It's something else entirely: freedom. This video unravels this mind-boggling idea, explaining why some rich folks value living life their own way over simply having tons of money. It all boils down to wanting to be your own boss. These business superstars, after climbing the ladder to success, crave the independence that comes with it. No more rigid schedules, micromanaging nightmares, or corporate ladders to climb. Instead, they're the masters of their own ships, steering their lives with their own vision and purpose. This freedom lets them design their days, chase their dreams, and make a real difference in the world, things money just can't buy. Sure, money's important, but it's not everything. Once your basic needs are covered and you're comfy cozy, piling up more and more cash can feel pointless. The thrill of buying stuff fades, leaving you feeling empty inside. Rich folks tuned into this shift know that true happiness comes not from having more, but from living life on their own terms, having amazing experiences, and giving back to something bigger than themselves. Choosing freedom over cash comes with a ton of perks. It sparks innovation and creativity as free minds explore new frontiers. It fuels the entrepreneurial spirit, letting people turn their ideas into ventures driven by passion, not just profits. It strengthens relationships, as flexible schedules make room for quality time with loved ones and good deeds in the community. And in the end, this freedom bonus benefits everyone. So, how do these wealthy folks actually score this freedom thing? It's a mix of smart business moves and personal choices. By delegating tasks, building amazing teams, and using fancy tech to automate stuff, they can step back from the daily grind and focus on the bigger picture. They also keep learning and adapting, keeping their businesses nimble and ready for anything. Plus, they take care of themselves, investing in their health, hobbies, and relationships, knowing that a healthy mind and body are key to navigating the freedom ride. Just because these are rich CEOs doesn't mean their love for freedom can't apply to you too. Delegating chores, mastering your time, and finding flexible work can all give you a taste of that sweet autonomy. Nurturing passions outside of work, building strong bonds with loved ones, and helping others out can fill the void left by chasing money. Proof it works. This freedom-first mindset isn't just some fancy theory. Tons of people have found real happiness by choosing freedom over cash. From artists who ditch high-paying gigs to chase their creative dreams, to entrepreneurs who build businesses around their passions instead of just chasing profits. These folks show that true joy comes not from having a lot of money, but from having the freedom to live authentically and make a real difference. Money's great, but it's just a tool, not the goal. It's the freedom to make your own choices, chase your dreams, and leave your mark on the world that's the real treasure. By embracing this way of thinking, anyone, rich or not, can unlock a life of greater fulfillment, meaning, and impact. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in the money chase, or break free and live life on your own terms.